you.
Say thank you for all my gifts.
Thank you for all my gifts.
Can you look at the camera, please?
Thank you for all my gifts.
Yeah, I got some pretty cool stuff.
I got Team Hot Wheels. The Mattel game and What Winger, Ring Pop, and
Jelly beans.
Bubbles, jelly beans, and a tea bag, and a pool ball, and Batman, and a ball machine, and a monster truck, and a Team Hot Wheels, and a dinosaur.
All right.
And the matching, and the fun game.
Yep.
Right
Okay.
here.
Yep.
And a shirt, and Sour's pajamas.
You got Ninja Turtle pajamas on your arm.
Huh? Ah!
All right. Say thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
What do you say at the end?
Thank you.
And please
Please
subscribe.
subscribe. Bye. Like your more Elijah birthday. Please subscribe. Bye.
It has Team Hot Wheels. Let me see. It's Team Hot Wheels City Speedtropolis. And this is it right here. We're almost done putting all the stickers on. Yeah, we forgot to record it when I had all the pieces off, but now we're almost done putting the stickers on, putting the traffic light on there.
And we put the monster movie on there. And is that the monster movie or the zombies?
This was given to him from his auntie on his birthday. And we're almost done putting the piece together, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we're all done putting it together. This is what it looks like. You have a theater, with a park.
And a monster movie.
You can order your food. That girl, and then... So, all together, it was...
the map.
Those were the instructions. How many pieces? So, it's approximately 1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 pieces and a sticker sheet. And it was kind of easier to follow the actual box to figure out where to put the stickers than it was to do it from the thing. But it came with all the pieces, the sticker sheets, and one car. And he also got a set of cars also from for his birthday. Well, let me see. Yeah, excuse the baby.
And these are cars.
Those are cars he got. Those are the Nitro Bot Attack Pack, 5-pack Attack Pack. Hot Wheels.
I like
Trademark Hot Wheels. So we're gonna put that, and it goes for the city. We're gonna put those together. Let me say hi. We're gonna put those together, and we're gonna let it play, and we're gonna show you how it plays. Alright? Okay, there go the cars. Yep. You gotta let them go. Which way you gonna go?
this way.
Okay. You gotta let them out. Yep, move the lever. There it goes.
And we got the other one.
Oh, can we show that car?
Yes.
I'll put it in my hand. See that car? It's a cool silver car.
Yes.
Let me show the people. Thank you. It's a cool silver car. Well, what color are the wheels?
Yellow.
Yellow. Whoa, that's a cool, nice car.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Let's show all the cars first. And this is the cool purple and orange car.
And here's the blue one, and the green one, and the red one, and the red one again.
Oh, this one's cool. I think this is my favorite car. Can we show? Let's line all the cars up. Like on Fast and the Furious. This is the car that came with the set. Cool, super fast looking red car. And then these are all the cars that came in the set that he got.
Dun 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 dun.
Cool. Alright, what do you want to say?
Thank you. Please subscribe. Watching more Team Hot Wheels.
And Elijah.
Bye. got these presents.
Yep, that's all the stuff he got for his birthday. Cool.
Okay. I can need this. He needs some gas. Thank you.